Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. This is officially my first video for 2022. The other videos I took, it was here and there. It wasn't full on vlog style as I'm doing now. So as you know, we are back on the SR20 Sleeperve VE. I am going to remove the intake. I need to get to the water housing at the bottom. I have been dialing the car. The car's been dialing very well. The car was tuned at Dynotech. I did tune it over there. I posted something last year about the car being tuned. The car made 159 kilowatts. The torque was way down. The torque is about 200 and something, but that's fine for now. We're gonna sort it out afterwards. I did overfuel. I got Devlin to come out. Devlin did a few of adjustments for me. Unfortunately, as you know, my PC was out and I couldn't do it during the week because I work. I couldn't go to Isak or take the car to Isak to get it sorted out. Isak explained to me what to do, and I got Devlin to come and sort it out for me because he had the cabling and he had the computer to do it. So yeah, we managed to get the fueling proper. That was sorted out, the cold start actually. And then I dailed the car to work and back for about 4 days. I've noticed a water leak. I decided, you know what, I'm gonna drive the car. I'll just fill it up in the morning when I leave, and in the afternoons when I leave work, I'll just fill it up again and get back home. Luckily there was no traffic and stuff like that. So yeah, that worked. Eventually I thought, you know what, the car's driving well. Let me just park it off for now and get the water leak sorted. Then I can drive it more comfortably, just to get that mindset. The car is kind of sorted. So yeah, I'm about to remove the intake, and then I am going to get to the water pipe, fix it up and put it back on again and get everything back together. We'll get the water system going, get the car started, maybe take it for a drive. And then I need to get to the BMW, the E30. That is going to be another video, so it won't be part of this video. So yeah, so I am about to do 2 videos in hopefully one day, or maybe today and tomorrow, because I have to still pry for the Wi-Fi. So yeah, so let me get going with this and see how far we get. So guys, what we're going to do first, we are first going to remove our induction. Then we are going to remove our bar. After removing our bar, we will loosen up our intake, and then we will take it off completely. Once the intake is removed, we are gonna get to our water housing at the bottom.
Ice in my veins, I've been driving this train. Years in this lane, there's no stopping this flame. Cause I came to the game and I changed it to play how I like, rearranged it to my own domain. Yeah, I got what it takes, made lots of mistakes, taking shots, skipping breaks, feeling lost, feeling great, popping off, singing straight, never stopped, never changed. All the squad here to play, and I've got something to say, yeah.
So guys, after hunting, I managed to actually find the leak. It's quite simple. I thought it was leaking from the top, dripping down on there. And then when I checked, actually it actually is leaking right here. If I do that, as you guys can see the water coming out there. Let me just try and zoom it in a bit. So if you see me, I can do this over here. So I'm cleaning it away, and immediately it starts to fill again. So yeah, that is where our leak is. I'm just gonna remove this pipe and see if I do have another one like this in the yard, and then I'm gonna replace it, and then we can put our stuff back.
I work hard each and every day. I get lost in the words I say. I don't push pause, no, I push play. I won't stop till I make a change. I withdraw on the things I make. I turn flaws into flawless traits. I build tall, never capped in space. I won't stop till I hear him say, and I'm up again.
So there we go guys. Here we have our culprit. Let me just show you guys. Open up quickly. Where is it cut? Yeah. So here we go guys. So here we go, guys. Here we have our culprit. If you guys can see there. There's our cut. So that's where our water was leaking from. So at least now we got this pipe off. So I'm gonna check in the yard quickly if we do have a similar housing like this. I'm sure we do have one, and then I'm gonna get it replaced, and then we can continue with putting the car back together
The next day.
Hey guys, welcome back to a new day. So today is Sunday. I did not manage to complete the car yesterday. Unfortunately, to run an errand, take Jamie's father somewhere, and then also I needed to help Jamie with a few things around the house. So yeah, and we got back a bit too late. It was past 8, so I decided, you know what, never mind that, let me just continue tomorrow. So today is tomorrow's next day. It's Sunday. I am going to complete the Sleeperve's pipe. I managed to find a pipe. I did not find the pipe that I thought I had. Yeah, so I did not manage to find the pipe that I thought I had in the yard, but I did find this pipe. So it's a complete pipe. I am just going to use this bend over here. It kind of fits the shape of the pipe that I did remove. So I'm just going to cut it off over here, and I'm going to fit this pipe to the car. It's not a new pipe, so it's a second-hand pipe, but the pipe is in a bit of a better condition than this one. You see, this one is very, very weak. This one is still a bit stiff. The car won't be breaking this pipe unless the motor or the water system is actually building up some pressure, which I'm sure it's not building up any pressure. So yeah, if it's building up any pressure, it will even blow a new pipe. It will break a new pipe. So whether the pipe is going to be new or old. But there's a second-hand pipe. I'm going to use second-hand pipe. I had it in the yard, so I'm going to use it. There's no need for me to go out and go and buy a new pipe or to go look for a pipe like this, because this is not the easiest pipes to find. You're not going to find these things anyway, unless you might get it somewhere, but I'm not going to go out hunting for it. I might match it up with something that they do have at the shops, the spare shops, but it's okay. I do have this one, so I'm just going to use this pipe. So yeah guys, there we have it. The Sleeperve intake is still off. Everything is off. I'm still clean up there a bit. You can see how the water was messing over there, so I'm going to clean up there a bit, and then I will be putting that back. So guys, I am going to complete the pipe. I'm going to put everything back, and then I will get back to you guys as soon as everything is back together. So there we go guys, everything is back together. So we are just going to go take a drive around quickly to the park off. See the park off at the airport mall in Bello. So we're going to do that and then make our way back, because we have some things to do.